Hey Conde friends, it's me Tori, and today I'm going to show you how to brand your products so that they can serve as your calling card or your business's calling card once they are placed out into the world. So let me show you an example of this. Imagine like a restaurant having some coasters sitting on the table. You flip them over while you're sitting there, and there is the information of the business who made it. So you can include the item number on the back of the coaster, you can include your business logo, your website, your phone number, anything someone might need to reorder some coasters for their restaurant. Another fun way to brand your items would be for weddings or products like name tags, so that you could put the item number on the back, or even a fun thing like a hashtag or something associated with the wedding. It's all really easy to do. I'm going to show you how to brand 2 of our products right now. Now the first product we're going to be working with is our Chroma Luxe metal, which is a great conductor of heat. And because of that, we're able to put our calling card or our company logo on the back and then have our gorgeous image show up on the front once we sublimate it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece of protective film, which is going to expose the white gloss for sublimating our image. And then you'll see here on the back, it's nice and silver, and our logo is going to show up great. So what I've done here is I've printed off my gorgeous image, and I flipped my logo and put it at the bottom here. So when I line up my piece of Chroma Luxe metal, all I have to do is fold it, and then I'm ready to sublimate. But before I do that, I'm going to grab some of my premium Conde Gold heat tape and secure my piece of metal to my image. And once it's folded over, I'm just going to take one more and place it on the back. And because our metal is heat conductive, I can sublimate both sides at the same time. So now that we're over here at the press, we are ready to sublimate our piece of Chroma Luxe metal. And we know that it's heat conductive, so we're going to still press both sides at the same time. I do want to make sure that the substrate coated white side is face up so that it has the heat closest to it. Before we close it off, we're going to work with our piece of polypoplin and cover the entire product with it. We have instructions and all of these items listed on our website, so be sure to check out Conde.com because we are working with 2 different products. The cork is a little different, and you want to make sure you have all of the instructions at hand. So visit Conde.com for all of those details. And then we press. Our second product is a Unisub hardboard coaster with cork on the back. I don't know if you knew this, but cork is sublimatable. So we're going to be putting our logo on the back of this coaster. Since it is a different product than the metal, it does require 2 presses. So I'm going to line up my image, head to the press, and I'll be right back. So now that the front of my coaster is done, I'm going to flip it back over, make sure that my orientations are correct, and then I'm going to line up my image to the back, tape it down, and I'm going to head back over to the press and sublimate the other side. That sound means we're done. So let's see how our piece of metal looks. I got my heat glove on because this is very hot. And I'm going to act really quickly. The back looks great. That image looks stellar. I'm going to let it cool, and then let's see how our cork backed coaster looks in just a second. So now that both of our products have had some time to cool off, you can see the image on the front looks great, and that image on the back is going to make so much of a difference. It looks awesome. Remember, you can put a logo, you can put your website, you can put your business phone number, you can even put product numbers on the back of your items to make reordering a breeze. It's just smart business. For more tips, products, and services, visit Conde.com, and for more of my videos, be sure to watch Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.